Welcome, all of you beautiful, willing spirits. Thank you for joining me to share this wonderful experience with the trees and the nature. So today's video is going to be very quick, very short. It's about what's currently going on energetically, and it's a message of unity from my heart, delivered directly to you. The world is going through one of the biggest global shifts that has ever taken place. On an energetic level, our traumas and our fears are being magnified as an opportunity to integrate and process and release. The discomfort we're experiencing is a reminder that we are shedding pieces of the past that were weighing us down. What we're being forced to do is to love one another more deeply, with more compassion, regardless of the choices that they are making, that we may not agree with in our hearts, that we may judge, or that might make us feel fear or discomfort. We're being asked to open our hearts more, to accept and support our brothers and sisters. I can feel it. We're so courageous to be surviving, thriving, and making it through these turbulent times. So today, all that I ask us to think about is, how are we treating our other fellow human beings? How are we able to love another whilst at the same time honour our own beliefs and our own values? If we can open our hearts and drop the judgment, we'll come into a place of compassion, beauty, and connection. Please don't allow the chaos to bring you down, and please don't give up. We're all doing amazingly, and may we love and support one another whenever possible, even when it is difficult to do so. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Blessings, and have a good week.